CreditEnable operates the largest tech-enabled marketplace for SME loans in India, and every day we help thousands of SMEs secure affordable finance. As part of our We Move Forward initiative, CreditEnable provides a free online health check which provides borrowers with a confidential assessment of the financial strength of their business and gives recommendations to help navigate this unprecedented event. Borrowers also instantly see whether they are eligible for a loan. Borrowers first start the financial health check by entering their name, contact details, and other basic details, as well as confirming the type of business. Borrowers then complete a stability check, which is a series of compliance and best practice questions. The answers to the compliance questions help us understand the financial strength of the borrower, for example, filing ITRs timely, maintenance of books of accounts, and outstanding statutory dues. The answers to the best practice questions help us to ascertain the long-term growth aspects of the business, for example, maintaining average bank balance, getting certified financials with computation and cash proportion of the business revenue. These questions help us in ascertaining the current stability of the borrower's business and gives an indication of business discipline as well. In the third and final step, the borrower completes a short survey, which will ascertain the borrower's eligibility for a loan. We ask the borrower for various financial inputs about their turnover and profits in previous years, existing loans, EMIs, their debtor, creditor, inventory cycle, and their future financing requirements. With these key parameters inputted by the borrower, we can derive the respective financial parameters which may be required in doing the preliminary assessment and eligibility of the financing needs of the borrower. By using our proprietary credit algorithm, we are able to give an automated and indicative loan eligibility based on inputs from the borrower. Our technology then gives the borrower two results. First, a business stability ranking. The answers to the compliance questions and best practice questions add to the scoring matrix. Cumulative weighted results of financial score, compliance score, and best practice score becomes the output for the business stability health check score. This gives the borrower an overall understanding of the financial strength of the business. Depending on the ranking, the borrower receives tips on how to improve. The higher the score, the more attractive the borrower is to lenders and the higher the likelihood of obtaining a loan. The business stability score, which gives a metered reading in three ways: weak, acceptable, and strong. Weak means there is a need to improve the business profile and business practices with a recommendation of raising capital to survive market disruption. Acceptable, there is scope to improve your business profile to above market standards with a recommendation of raising capital to sustain through market disruption. And strong, the business is scoring in the high range. However, the borrower can continue to drive the business as they currently are and raise capital to buffer for contingency. Based on the borrower's financial inputs, derive results of growth, profitability, cash flows, liquidity, and leverage, our tool generates the score. Along with a business stability score, the borrower is also instantaneously shown the estimated loan eligibility of their business for long-term loan and short-term working capital requirement, both as additional term loan capacity and total and additional cash credit working capital capacity. This gives an indication of the loan eligibility for the business. At the back end, CreditEnable's algorithms have been developed with an understanding of data and patterns through the ingestion of millions of SMEs' financial data onto our platform. This means the borrower receives results that are accurate, relevant, and meaningful. If eligible for a loan, borrowers are then encouraged to share a set of key financials and KYC documentation, which allows CreditEnable to assess the borrower's creditworthiness. CreditEnable has over 20 lender partners with over 70,000 crore to lend. We digitally match eligible borrowers to the right lender and right product and compile a complete file which can be sent to the lender. CreditEnable then works with the customer, championing them with the lender throughout the loan application process, ensuring a smooth, successful, digitized journey. Visit www.creditenable.in to access the free Business Stability Health Check and Loan Eligibility Analysis today. Zero hassle, zero fee, zero impact on your credit score.